So the big picture for this lesson is tangents and chords. Now chords within circles, and also accompanied with some tangents, form some interesting angle relationships. So for example, we have the intersecting chords angle measure theorem, not a very catchy name, but basically what it says is that measure of angle 1 is the average of the two arcs, AC and BD. And measure of angle 2 is the average of the two arc measures AB and CD. There's a real nice GeoGebra built in here. Take a look at what happens. And you can see the central angles that it forms. And each central angle is half of the average, which is shown at the center of the circle. And each central angle that's formed by the arc is half of the measure of each arc. So you can see how that makes this angle measure over here, these two central angles. Then there's the tangent intersected chord theorem. So if you have a tangent to a circle and a chord that intersects at that tangent, you can form two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Measure of angle 1 is half of the measure of arc AC. Measure of angle 2 is half of measure arc ABC. So that's the tangent and intersected chord theorem. Then there's the tangent secant exterior angle measure theorem. And they're all kind of the same idea, but they vary a little bit. So basically you subtract the arc measures that are shown here and then divide by 2, and that will give you the angle measure shown outside, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, where the two secants or secant and tangent meet, or two tangents, depending on the situation. So basically you're going to be solving for angle measures using these theorems, and also you're going to be writing and solving equations. And that's the big picture.